Hi there, students. To hang back. Okay, this means to wait, not to go forward, not to carry on with something, to lag behind everyone else, to be reluctant to go forward. So you hang back, intransitive, or you hang back from doing something. Don't hang back. Help yourself to food. You're as entitled to the food as anybody else. So to hang back, to be reluctant to do something, maybe because you're shy or you're a bit embarrassed or you feel awkward. The older kids started taking the sweets straight away, but the younger ones hung back because they were a little bit timid. Yeah, to refrain from taking action immediately, to hesitate. Don't act yet, just hang back for a couple of days. Yeah, don't go wading into the situation. Hang back until you can see what's waiting for you. Yeah. Okay, so just hang back, just be patient and wait a second before acting. Yeah, to drag behind the other people, to be reluctant to do something. Yeah. Okay, so if your friends need support, don't hang back. Give them support straight away. Yeah. Don't delay. Just do it now. So to remain behind. Yeah, he hung back because he was afraid that he would be noticed and made to speak. Yeah, so you're reluctant to act, you're reluctant to move, you're reluctant to do something. Nobody wanted to speak first, and everybody was hanging back, waiting for everyone else. It's got the idea because you're afraid, you've got no confidence. Yeah, there's no need to hang back. You can do this as well as anybody else. You're as good as everyone else. Yeah, so not do something immediately, just wait a bit, or to hang back, to stay a short distance behind the group, not to go too near them. Yeah. Okay, so to stay away. I'm certain he knows the answer. He knew the answer to the question, but for some reason he hung back. Yeah. He didn't. He didn't give me the answer directly. Okay, so to hang back, to be reluctant to go forward. Okay, so he's always hanging back rather than acting impulsively. He's remaining behind. He's slow to act. It's as if he's got no confidence. Yeah, he's maybe hesitant to act. He does things but hesitatingly, not straight away. Well, mind you, hanging back, it's sometimes not such a bad thing. Could you hang back a minute and let me talk to you for a second? Yeah, to stay behind while others move ahead. Yeah. So he hung back from the main group, or we hung back from the main group so that we could talk privately. I'm going to hang back and just sit here and enjoy the view. Hang back on taking action. Don't act immediately. Just wait. To lag behind. He's hanging back from the rest of the group. Okay. Everyone pushed forward, but I hung back because I was afraid I was going to be crushed. Yeah. The popular kids went first and the others just hung back. Yeah, you should hang back until you're really certain about what you're going to do. Don't act, wait. Just hang back until you're certain. To wait, falter, to avoid proceeding because you're a bit reluctant. So to hang back, intransitive, to hang back from doing something. And let's see, formality, hang back. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. Yeah, to hang back, to tarry is actually a good synonym for this. And then the origin, I guess you're hanging behind, yeah, as opposed to hanging in front, you hang behind. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Don't hang back, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel. Again, please don't hang back. There's no problem. And I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hang back. Hang back from something.